Welcome Inner Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is blessings. Glennon Doyle has said that we are all full of something. We are brimming out with something that lies inside us, and we are like mugs of tea and coffee, and whenever we get bumped, something from inside us spills outside. Now if you are full of coffee, naturally coffee is going to spill out. If you are full of tea, then tea is going to spill out. So whatever lies inside comes out of you. So when you want peace and love and blessings to come out of you, then you need to clear up from inside. So you have to beautify your inner universe so that you give more of blessings outside. Now the beauty of blessings is that as you give out blessings, you are blessed yourself, because this universe is like an echo chamber. So whatever you are giving out, what goes around comes around. Whatever you are giving out will come back to you. So actually, who is profiting? You. By blessing others, you are blessed in return. Blessings have this way of cutting short this cycle of negativity. So just keep blessing everybody you meet, or even in your mind, whenever you think about somebody, it is better not to judge them, not to criticize them, but to bless them. Nowadays we are sitting at home most of the times with our family. So instead of judging your family members, your husband, your wife, your children, or looking for what wrong they are doing, start blessing them. Use your words to bless them. Look for the good that they are doing and ignore what you do not like, and start focusing more on what is beautiful about them, about their behavior, about their habits, about them. At least you are together, and so you can just bless them. There are some people, even during difficulties, they know they are blessed by God because they have faith. And yes, they are blessed by God. God blesses them because He sees that even during difficulties, they did not lose faith in the higher source. They know good times are just right here. And so they keep their faith, and that is how they are blessed. My grandmother used to say that whenever you do something good for somebody, every cell of this person's body blesses you. And blessings are like miracles. No amount of hard work can compensate for blessing. Now blessings are miracles. Whenever you need some help from the higher source and you know it seems like impossible, some miracle will happen and you cannot explain how it happened, who did it, how things align for you, but your work will be done. This is what blessings are for. They create miracles in your life. They bring the favor of the higher source in your life. And nobody can explain how this help arrived in your life, how things just happened in the right place, right time, right moment, but it was done. This is what blessings are all about. There is a story about a man. He said, God, I want to see you. And there was this moon, the stars and the sun, but this man was too busy to see all of these. The next day he said, God, I want to hear you. And there were birds chirping all around, children playing, but he was too busy to comprehend this beauty around him. And then this man said, God, show me a miracle. And a child was born. Right in front of his eyes, there were so many other miracles happening all around. But no, he was too busy to see these miracles. And then one day he said, God, touch me. And a butterfly came and sat on his palm. But he just brushed it aside and got busy in his work again. So you are already blessed. You are already blessed. There are blessings all around you, but you have to free yourself for some time during the day to see those blessings around you. That beautiful flower is there just right out of your house, but you are too busy to go out and see that flower. When did you see the moon? If the moon came only once in a year, we would have gone outside and taken pictures, but because it comes every day, we are so busy to go out and see the moon. Personally, even I have not seen the moon for so long. So we must make it a point to go out at least after a few days to see and appreciate the beauty all around us. These are the miracles and blessings that lie all around us, and blessings have a ripple effect. Now, if you bless someone, this person is so happy that this person has been appreciated and blessed by you, and she will go out and bless somebody else. It makes you feel good. It makes you feel loved. And then this ripple will, it will travel far and wide. So many people have been touched by that one blessing. You started this ripple effect. So that is the power of blessings. And on the internet, I read a story, a true story of a person. This man blesses his children during dinner. He just appreciates his children every day during dinner. You are so good in singing. I love you. You will do really good. And you can bake so well, and you are so fond of gardening. Just appreciating whatever your handwriting is so good. Your behavior is so good. And what he noticed was that the children became more loving. They were not naughty anymore. Their behavior improved. And their sense of self, there was more gratitude in them. They were more confident, and they stopped fighting with each other. They hugged each other more. They loved each other more, just because this one person in the family blessed vocally, using your words, especially making them heard and blessing someone. So you have this power of your words. Use them to bless people around you. And we should make it a habit actually not to be too judgmental about everybody living around us, not to be critical about people living around us, but to be more loving and try to bless them whenever we think about them or whenever we see them. Let us start blessing each other, and this whole world will become such a beautiful place just because you existed. You started this ripple effect of blessing. So you are already blessed, and you have this blessing, this great miraculous power to bless others. And as you bless others, it comes back to you. Now you see, all of us are blessed. This is all in this video. Use the power of your blessings from now onwards. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. My message for you is, I love you, and thank you so much for being here. It is so beautiful to connect with all of you. I wish you abundance, peace, good health, and lot of love in your life. Thank you. Namaste.